So you got to narrate now.
Okay, so we have our paper, and then we have our bucket of sawdust, and then we have our scale with our empty bucket that we will be putting the paper and the sawdust and water in. And then we have water. Okay. All right. And so Andy is going to begin.
You can start with the sawdust. We need half a pound.
Half a pound. Nope. Try to get more this time. 0.53.
We need 0.50.
5-1.
Close enough.
All right, one more because I already got it. 5-1.
Now we need a pound and a half of the shredded paper.
Pound and a half. So. So it's going to be 2 pounds total then.
Correct.
What? 199. 2 pounds.
Okay, now we want to cover that mixture with water.
Okay, so how much just till it?
Just till it's covered.
Okay.
You could use the red bucket, or you might like to dump it on. Whatever.
We'll do the official way so everyone has the same example. There's one bucket. There's that. Shoot, I mean, is that covered, sir? It floated up, so I assume it's covered.
Maybe just a half a bucket.
All right. Try not to make a mess.
Okay, now we can slide it over.
Wait, okay, so is it done?
Uh-huh.
You're for sure it's done?
Yeah.
So it should look like.
See how it's floating there? Pretty loose.
Okay.
So now we come over.
Drill a thing on it. All right.
And we want it to drill enough to where it starts to break up the paper.
And what was it said it looked like oatmeal.
Oatmeal. This is faster than most of it.
There.
A little more. That's looking pretty good.
And I'm turning it in a clockwise motion.
So now, by hand, you want to fill that red. Just leave it. Well, you can do it either. But if you leave it there, we've got a drain.
Oh, okay.
So then just pack it full.
All right. I think of the least messy way to do this.
Maybe set the bucket down next to it.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Two hands. My dad always said use 2 hands.
Oh, is that enough?
I think we want to fill it all the way.
Okay.
I think
So
we want
the
to use as much
press-
paper as we can. There we go.
Then this guy will come in. We can start him off. But then we want to start with this plate.
Oh.
Now, just pop it. And these bars will bottom out on the red, and then that's as far as we go. It's faster than I thought.
Is that all the way down?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's hitting the bars.
Yeah.
I mean, I could do it more, but it's going to bend it eventually. You know?
We want to stop right there.
This is our end product. Looks like it's pulling the. It's on the right side, right? You got to turn it the other way because it's like a target. Of course you could do it.
Yeah, my hands were dry. So then, now we can lift the top back off. Black insert comes out.
There's the end product.
There's a brick.
There's a brick.
Beautiful. It's not going to drip.
It might, but it shouldn't be nearly as much as like that.
Okay.
Awesome.